do here is go back.
Hey, what's up YouTube? Fritz No Limit here, back with another video, and this is my Robinhood Portfolio update. Right now I'm investing $8,716.92 into my portfolio. Today we'll discuss my stocks, how my portfolio has been performing, and we'll also discuss my dividends and how they've grown over time. So with no further ado, let's jump right into that portfolio. So for today, I'm up $17. For the week, I'm up $103. For the past month, I'm up $312. For the past 3 months, I'm up $568. For the past year, $705. And all time, $769 or 9.69%. So these are my stocks. I'll open them up and we'll talk about each and every one of them. So this is Prospect Capital. It's a BDC. Right now it's trading for $6.59 per share. You can see its growth over time. It's been pretty stagnant. Since I've had the portfolio, it's down 0.86% or negative $14.35. This is a monthly paying stock. It pays 6 cents per share. I haven't really upped my shares. So for the 250 shares, I've received a $15 dividend for the month. The next company is Verizon Wireless. Right now it's trading for $60.75. We'll see its trends over time. I have upped my position in this stock. I went from 1 share up to 2 shares. Since I've had it, it's up 3.44% or positive $4.04. There was some recent news of this company offering Disney Plus with new Fios members, and this has increased the stock's price. So I will look to acquire more shares because of this positive news. And this stock pays 62 cents per share, up from 60 cents per share. So it has increased its dividend, which shows that this is a good, stable company that I'll continue to invest in. Next is Lexington Realty Trust, which is a REIT. Right now it's trading for $10.68. You can see its trends over time. This stock has definitely increased its price over time. If we look at my average cost, it's $8.78. So it's up an average of $1.90 per share that I bought. Since I've had it, it's up 21.61% or $260. I have 137 shares. This stock pays 10.25 cents quarterly for each share. So off of that, I was paid $13.84 earlier this month. I want to continue to invest in this company and continue to increase my shares. Next is Apple Hospitality REIT. Right now it's trading for $16.61. Once again, these are its trends. It's kind of been on the upswing for the past few months. This is a monthly paying stock. It pays 10 cents per share. So for those 50 shares, I'll be receiving a $5 dividend next month. It's up $16.80 or 2.06%. Next is AT&T. This company is trading for $38.09. You can see its trends. When I first started buying this company, it was right around the $30 mark, so it has increased pretty nicely. I own 13 shares of this stock, worth almost $500. Since I've had it, it's up 11.31%, so I've made $50.31 from this stock. This company pays 51 cents per share, which is paid quarterly, so I'll be receiving almost $7 next month. You can see on my dividend history on November 1st, I will be paid $6.63 from AT&T. So I'm looking forward to that. Next is New York Mortgage Trust. The stock price right now is $6.22. You can see its trends over the past few months and years. It has been trending up for the past couple weeks. It's up around 15 cents per share. This is a quarterly paying stock. It pays 20 cents per share for a total of 80 cents per year per share. Right now I own 457 shares worth $2,842. Since I've had this up 1.0% or $30.21. Since the stock price has been slowly increasing, I am looking to increase my position in this stock. Hopefully around the 500 mark, I'll start to slow down. And on the 25th, I was paid $83.60. Next is Coca-Cola. The stock price right now is $53.80. It's been down for the past few weeks, but other than that, it's been up. You can see its trends. Since I've had this up 19.26% or $8.69. Since it's down a little bit, I will take advantage of that and add a few more shares in the upcoming weeks. This is a quarterly paying stock. It pays 40 cents per share. So on my history, I was paid 40 cents on October the 1st. Next is Main Street Capital. The stock price is $42.38. This is a BDC. This stock has been stagnant for the past few months. This is a monthly paying stock. It pays 20.5 cents per share. And it has been slowly increasing its dividends, which shows that it's a nice, stable company. I own 3 shares right now worth $127. Since I've had it, it's up 2.72% or $3.37. So next month, I will be paid 62 cents from this stock. I am also looking to increase my position, so I will be buying more shares in the future. The next stock is PowerShares S&P 500. It's an ETF. Right now it's trading for $42.80. It's also been stagnant for the past few months. So I'm not looking to increase my position in this stock. It pays 15 cents per share, which is paid monthly. So it is a pretty good ETF. And ETFs are indicative of how the economy is doing. So over the past few months, the economy has kind of been stagnant, and it kind of shows in the ETFs. Since I've had this up 3.02% or $3.76. Next is Stag Industrial. This is a monthly paying REIT. Right now it's $30.75 per share. Since I've had it, I'm up $3.95 and it pays 12 cents per month per share. The next company is Tencent. Right now it's trading for $41.29. This company has been trending down for the past few months. I'm going to give this company a chance to see what it does. Right now I own 3 shares and I'm not really looking to increase my position until the company kind of recovers its price a little bit. Since I've had it, it's down negative 6.96% or down $9.26. Luckin Coffee is my next stock. Right now it's trading for $21.12. This company is also based in China and it does not pay a dividend. This company has been slowly downtrending also, but over the past few weeks it has been trending up just a little bit. Since I've had the stock, I'm down 4.48% or down negative $3.96. So I see growth potential in this stock. I'm going to hold my position and see what it does. Target is next. Right now, this company is trading for $113.19 per share. This company has done really well over the past few months, increasing its dividends as well as its share price. So I have increased my position from 1 share up to 2 shares. And hopefully we'll be adding some more soon. This is a quarterly paying stock. It pays 66 cents per share. Since I've had it, it's up 17.22% or up positive $33.26. This is Aqua America. Right now the price is $46.52. This company has been trending slowly up for the past few months, so I will be looking to increase my position in this stock. This is a quarterly paying stock. It pays 23 cents per share. Since I've had it, it's up 7.76% or positive $3.35. Starbucks is next. Right now the price is $83.46 per share. This stock has been hurting me a little bit. Since I've had it, it has slowly been downtrending. But I am optimistic about this stock that the price will recover. It's been doing really well except for the past few months. Since Since I've had it, it's down negative 13.4% or down $12.91. This is a quarterly paying stock. It pays 36 cents per share. I will possibly be looking to add a couple shares just to see what it does. Next is Realty Income. This is a REIT. Right now the price is $79.72 per share. This company has been trending up really nicely for the past few months. I will be looking to add some more shares in this stock. Since I've had it, it's up 3.59% or up $11.05. I own 4 shares and I'm looking for more. This company pays approximately 22 cents per share. So this month I received 45 cents. Next month I'll be receiving 90 cents. This is my favorite portion of the portfolio, which is the dividends. This is a screen capture of all the stocks and how I'm paid over the course of a year. On the right, it shows the shares. On the left, it shows how much I'm paid monthly/quarterly. And finally, it's totaled up in the middle over the course of a year. Right now, I have 14 dividend paying stocks. Over the course of 1 year, I'm paid a total of $731.47. On the next page, we'll see how much that averages each month. So $731.47 over the course of 12 months means I'm averaging $60.95 per month in dividend income. This is a consistent and gradual change over the past few months, and I'm looking to increase this amount to probably around $70 by the end of the year. So I'm very, very thankful for my progress, and I'm looking for more. This concludes the video for today. This has been my $8,000 Robinhood Portfolio update, and I hope you enjoyed it. What do you think about my portfolio and its progress? Don't forget to leave a like and please comment down below. I always read all the comments and always respond. Do you have any suggestions for me? I'm always looking for suggestions to possibly implement them in my portfolio and make some progress. Finally, don't forget to invest in yourself, continue to invest in the stock market or whatever your venture may be. And Albert Einstein has this quote, "Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it." Take care of yourself and enjoy your day.